Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly and I hope everyone's having a great day so far. Today I wanted to share with you a crock pot meal, and today I had a lot of things I needed to get done around my home, so I just thought, well, I'm going to let the crock pot do its work today, and it would allow me to get the work done that I needed to have finished around my home. So this was the easiest thing to do. And I had some beef ribs in the freezer, so I just decided I would go ahead and cook these in the crock pot. And you can use pork ribs or chicken if you'd like. Either would be fine. And you can use really whatever seasonings you like for this, but I'm using some garlic powder, and I tend to use this a lot in my cooking, and some Kingford Cajun style spicy seasoning, and I don't find it's that spicy, but it is good, and some onion powder, and use whatever type of barbecue sauce that you have or that you like. This is what I had on hand today, so this is what I'm going to use, and it's the G Hughes' sugar-free, and it's really good, and some pepper and some brown sugar. Now the first thing you will do is put your meat into the crock pot, and I've already seasoned the other side of it and then just turned them over, and I'm going to go ahead and season this with the garlic powder and the rest of the seasoning that I have. And you want to make sure you just get it on really well, so that way it just has a good flavor. Now I added about 1.5 cups of the barbecue sauce, and it will depend on how much meat that you have to how much barbecue sauce you would want to add. And I like to spread the sauce on top of the ribs just to make sure that it gets coated. That way it'll cook into the meat. Add the brown sugar on top, and you can add as little or as much as you like. And even though the barbecue sauce I'm using is sugar-free, it doesn't taste like it is, but I still like to add brown sugar to my barbecue meals like this, especially like barbecued meatballs. I just like the flavor of it. You will cover this for 6 to 8 hours, and you want to cook this on low, and I cooked mine for 6.5, and it turned out really good and tender. Now while I'm doing that, I'm able to go outside and get my grass cut, and we have several acres, so it takes me quite a while to get it done, several hours. So I was thankful to have that done today because we had so much rain, and then I was able to also get some laundry done and also some cleaning done around my home inside. So it was just a good day to have this crock pot meal, and this is how it turned out. It was great to come in and just at the end of the day and have this ready for me. And you can also have sides with it that are already made, like from the deli if you want, like coleslaw, potato salad, or even do a baked potato. And you can see how tender the meat turned out after 6.5 hours. And if you have a day that you need to get things done around your home, I think this would be a perfect meal for that. And I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and that notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. And I hope that everyone has a blessed day. Thank you all again for watching.